this video we're going to demonstrate how to clean a white leather. We're going to be using this chair as a demonstration because the leather on this is quite dirty, so it'll give you a good indication of how it works. Now you'll need a few bits and pieces to carry out this task. You need a bucket of warm water, just a soft cloth, absorbent cloth. You can use a microfiber cloth. We use a microfiber cloth because it's a lot better for grabbing the dirt off the surface. It gives you a better finish, better clean. And you need a brush if it's really dirty. If it's fairly clean leather, you don't need to worry about a brush, but in this case we'll use a brush. And then we use our AFC or Aussie Furniture Care 5-minute leather cleaner. The reason we use this product is because it's a natural product with natural ingredients. It's got nothing in there that's going to damage the top coat or cause any issues with the leather. Now, the first thing is to make sure that we test it in an inconspicuous area. So the most obvious place on this chair is underneath here. So what you need to do, just dip the cloth into the warm water, just wring it out lightly so it's still fairly wet, and then just give that a bit of a run over there, and then we'll apply some leather cleaner onto the surface. Now just give it a light rub, okay, and then just dry it off lightly and check that nothing's changed. So that looks pretty good. It's cleaned it up and it hasn't caused any effects on the top coat. So what we do next, we'll start on the surface, and we'll just do a section here to start with where it's quite dirty. I've tried a small spot here and it does go a lot better, it comes up a lot better. So start off with running your damp cloth over the surface just to loosen up the dirt a little bit, and then spray on your leather cleaner and put a little bit onto the brush and agitate it in a circular motion. What that does is it gets it into all those little grooves in the leather and gets the dirt right out of it. So if you use just a cloth, sometimes it cleans across the top of the surface but it doesn't get deep down into the leather. So just scrub it lightly. If it's feeling a bit dry as you go, just put a bit more leather cleaner on. You can see it's pulling all the dirt to the surface there. Okay. So now we just come back. Get our damp cloth, go over, just straight off so that you just pull the dirt off, and then come back with your microfiber cloth, wet it down and wring that right out, and just give it a final go over. Now when you get to that point, you see that that's quite clean. If there's any spots you've missed, just come back over with your brush again. There's a little bit down in the back there which I'll just redo. There's no more dirt coming to the surface there now. We're in the spot that we've done. So we'll just get our microfiber cloth again. Give it a wipe down. Okay, so you can see the difference. It's quite a lot cleaner there. That's done before, that's after. So what you do now is obviously finish the rest of the leather off. and then you would apply a conditioner, which we'll cover that in our next video.